So I had a wonderful time in Miami, but it's now time to move on. I came back home here for a month and I had a blast, of course. When it comes to partying and fun, Miami's pretty much the best in the world for that. So I came here, had a great time, partied my head off, celebrated my birthday, reconnected with old friends, caught a beautiful tan, enjoyed the sunshine, made a bit of money in the stock market, the usual. But it's time to move on, and here are the reasons why it's time to move on. As much as I love this town, as much as it's beautiful, as much as the weather's amazing, as much as the people are sexy, as much as everyone is now moving to Miami from different parts of the world because it's just blowing up, it's where the growth is. Across the states, you see many people that are moving down here, across the world. People want to come to Miami, it's a sexy place. But after you've spent enough time here, and when you've got half a brain and come from a good family like myself, what you'll start to realize is that the scene is very, very transient. You don't really make friends easily around here. Actually, let me rephrase that. You make friends very easily, but they're not your friends, they're just acquaintances. They're only with you because you're either good looking, cool, wealthy, and you've got social status, and there's something they can gain from you. That's how you make friends in Miami. You make friends in Miami because they want something from you, right? You're either wealthy, the amount of people that pitch me business ideas, the amount of people that want me at a party because I bring girls or whatever, because you're cool. If you're not cool and you got no money, do not move to Miami. You'll be fucked. You literally will have no friends and you'll be completely abandoned. So people want to gain something from you in this town, and that's the one thing that I really don't like about it. It's very transient, very pretentious, it's all about the money, it's very materialistic. And I knew this before I moved here, of course. But at this stage in my life now, as I look for a life partner, as I look for an amazing woman who is potentially going to be the mother of my beautiful children, it becomes way more difficult to do that here in Miami. People are like, no, it's not impossible. Just open up your heart and you'll be able to meet them. No, motherfucker. It's almost impossible. It's not impossible, but it's almost impossible in a town like this. So it's best that I go back to Bucharest, Romania, where my new business partner is based, where I have my friends and my community. Okay, Bucharest, Romania is going to make a lot more sense for me because I'm not copying Andrew Tate. I went there in 2008, before Andrew Tate ever set foot in Romania. And yes, I did meet him and Tristan in Romania in the last trip, and I do hope to meet with them again on this next trip. But that kind of place is more down to earth, more conservative. The girls, they still go to church on a Sunday. They still live with their families. They don't party like crazy bitches and sniff all sorts of drugs. Okay, fine, they drink alcohol, but that's normal over there because they don't know anything better. Alcohol's legal, so they're like, oh, okay, I'll just have a drink. So ultimately, people are more traditional and more conservative, and the girls are more conservative. They're family orientated. They go to church. They believe in raising a family. They believe in raising children. They believe in being feminine, not raving feminists. I always say that. There's a very big difference between the two. I don't want no raving feminist to be my life partner. I want a raving feminine woman to be my life partner. I don't need to hear her yapping down my throat every day about how men are toxic and women need to be empowered. Yeah, heard it all before, don't give a shit. I'm the man, I make the decisions in this relationship. Although I'm willing to compromise, of course. So, to sum up, this is the reason why I'm leaving Miami. Look how beautiful this place is. It's fucking unbelievable. And look where I live. Like, literally, I live the dream, have great acquaintances. I'm super plugged up here. I can walk into any club, any bar, any fucking time I want. However, because I come from a wholesome background, a wholesome family, and I want wholesome relationships, I'm going to have to leave this place in order to find those wholesome relationships, especially when I'm looking for a partner, especially when I'm looking to have children in the next few years. I'm not getting any younger, but I am as beautiful as ever. Thank you. Thank you, God. And there you go, that's how you have it. That's why I'm leaving Miami. Beautiful place, lots of fun, great parties, beautiful weather, absolutely. You want to be a star, you want to be a DJ, you want to build your business, you want to find business opportunities, you want to meet wealthy people who might invest in your business, absolutely come to America, absolutely come to Miami. If you want to raise a family, you want to live on a farm, you want to grow organic vegetables, you want a beautiful church girl, you want religious people, then you need to go to a small town or you need to go somewhere in the East. And for me, Eastern Europe is the spot because I like beautiful white girls, right? I'm not into Asian girls. Otherwise, I'd probably be in Vietnam right now with 5 girlfriends all cooking me dinner and giving me massages. But that's just not my style. So instead, I'm hoping for 5 girlfriends in Romania giving me a massage and cooking for me. That's what I'm looking for, and that's why I'm leaving Miami.